everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Raquel Welch wig, and there's a special deal happening with it now. So stay tuned. Okay, so before we get to talking about this wig, I just want to let you know at Frannie's Hair, we are gearing up for Black Friday, Cyber Monday with a ton of sales, giveaways, and gifts with purchases. So stay tuned for videos from me where I'll be describing how to enter for raffles and all the different deals that are going on. All right, so let's talk about this wig. This is Love Always by Raquel Welch, and the special thing about this wig is that it's the last photo shoot that Raquel did before passing. Now, I don't know about you, but I've seen interviews with people who have met her and soldiers who were wounded that she spent time with, and everybody has said that she was such a beautiful person inside and out, which is really wonderful to hear. I wish I could have met her. In any case, this wig was the last wig she wore in a photo shoot, and so the company in her memory wanted to do something special. So what they've done is they created this compact mirror. Let me see if I can show you the front of it here. With her signature on it. Hopefully you can see that there. It says Love Always Raquel with 3 X's, and there's a flower and leaves at the bottom. You get a regular size mirror and a magnifying mirror in there. It's a really beautiful compact, and you get that with the purchase of this wig, the Love Always wig, while supplies last. In addition, at frannieshair.com, all Raquel Welch wigs will be 30% off, including this one, today and for all of the Black Friday Spectacular. Okay, so let's talk about the wig, Love Always. This is in the color Shaded Wheat, the one that I'm wearing here, and I'm going to spin for you and show you the style, and then we'll talk about the details. Okay, this style is described as, with trademark signature style, this easy-to-wear bob has the perfect combination of straight and wave textures for a tousled look that's casual and fresh. A low-density top pairs with layered volume at the sides and a shorter stacked back for movement that feels long but doesn't get in your way. The softly waved front can be worn swept to the side in a feathered fringe or gently gracing the jawline. So, this is basically right out of the box. And I wanted to just show you this style. I would probably use heat. This is heat friendly, so not an issue. You can make this into anything you want. I would use heat to lift this off of my face more. It has a tendency to come this way, and you may like that type of bang. I like it a little bit off my face, so I would probably do that. Also, this curl here that curls back is pretty set, so that you'll have that nice curl if you want it. It's very set. I would probably soften that a little bit for myself, maybe make it a little bit straighter. I can do that no problem because it's heat friendly. Now, before I get to the measurements, let me tell you my measurements. My circumference is 21.5 inches. Ear to ear, I'm 11.5 inches. Forehead to nape, I'm 12.5 inches. My forehead is 3.5 inches long. Forehead to chin, I'm 8.5 inches, and my neck is 3 inches. If you don't know how to measure your head, no worries. I'm going to link a video here that will help you do that. And also you can head over to frannieshair.com under the size charts and take a look at that video as well. Okay, so the measurements of Love Always. The bang or fringe is 8 inches. The crown, 9 inches. The side, 8.5 inches. And the nape, 3.5 inches, and she weighs about 4.5 ounces. As far as density goes, I know Raquel Welch is considering this low density. For me, I'm going to say it's on the low end of medium. I would say a little bit more dense than low dense, but not a lot. As far as permatease goes, I can feel some around here, giving it the shape that it has. It's not overly done, but there's definitely some in there. Okay, let's talk about the color. Shaded wheat, otherwise known as RL14/22SS. This is considered warm and rooted, and it's one of my favorite Raquel Welch colors because I do like that warm blonde, and you definitely get that with this. It's a warm medium blonde with medium brown roots. So you can see the rooting there. And the blonde is definitely warm in tone. Now she has a lace front, an extended lace front, so hopefully you can see that there. It has a monofilament top, so you can see the part there, and if I wanted to change it, I could certainly do so. You can see that there. And I probably would move my part just a little bit more over toward the center. But again, you can style it any way you'd like to. Typically when I move a part, I use heat to reset the part in place. Otherwise, it seems to always want to go back to where it was parted. Okay, so let's take a look at the ear tabs. Here you go. So the ear tab comes around here. Anything gray out here is mine. You can see that there. But you get nice coverage. And I'll be showing you the cap when we come in from outside after looking at the color. So there you go. And let's try some glasses on. Under the ear tabs, I feel that. It's not too bothersome, but I think I would wear it over the ear tabs. Yeah, no problem there. All right, let's take this color outside. Okay, so here we are. This is shaded wheat. You can see the medium brown rooting there, and it's shaded so that rooting will run through the wig, which I really like. And let me take you around the head here. Sorry about the leaf blowers. I don't know where those are. And I'll just spin for you so you can see in a different light. Such a pretty color. Okay, so let's take a look at the cap. Here you have an extended lace front, ear tab to ear tab. The ear tabs are velvet ear tabs with metal stays. You have the full mono top. There's open wefting and an extended velvety nape with Velcro adjusters. And you can see here that I've adjusted them in a bit. This does have some stretch. I would say, like most Raquel Welch wigs, this goes to average or even a bit larger than average. And if you're not sure about how the different brands fit, check out my videos with Tracy and Debbie, who had different sized heads and tried on many of the brands to let you know how they fit. I'll have links to those videos in the description below. Okay, so that is Love Always in shaded wheat. Okay, so there you have it. This is Raquel Welch, Love Always. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I'd be curious to hear. And if you have any questions, also put those in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. I'll have this wig linked in the description below so you can go check it out over at frannieshair.com. And don't forget, we have so much going on for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. You're going to want to check out frannieshair.com and stay tuned for my videos. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.